Greetings everyone! Today we'll be learning about the vertical line function. Now if you look into vertical line function, that is VLF, so it's a kind of a function in which we usually create a vertical line to prove that is it a function or not. Now basically vertical line function is applied in form of graphs. Now graphs do have the 4 coordinates. Graphs are usually designed in this format where this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Now at very first, whenever we are using a vertical line test or vertical line function, what we have to do is to create a vertical lines in the graph, and what we need to observe is that if there is a figure like this, so we only have to realize that on which point the vertical line and this one diagram is being intersected. Now here if you can see, it is being intersected here. That means the intersection point is only 1. So this would be a function. If in a condition you are given a function like this, so if you create a vertical line, so the intersection points are 1, 2, and 3. Now keep in mind, whenever there are more than one intersection point, so it can't be an function. So that's what we call vertical line function. Now there are some really basic vertical line function. At very first, we do have a function that can be x is equal to y square. Now basically this function creates a parabola. Let's do the test. Is it a function or not? What we will do, we will create a line. The intersection point is only 1, so this is a function. Now let's quickly erase this all. Let's do some more examples. Now secondly, if you are given a condition x square plus y square is equal to 9. Now if you observe, so the formation of the graph would be 9. That probably means that we will reach the height of 9 from x-axis and height of 9 from y-axis. And then what we have to do is to create a parabola from here and then a parabola from here. So it would be a function of a circle. Now let's create a vertical line. Now the intersection points at 2, so it's not a function. Then again, let's move on. Then we can take a example of y is equal to under root x. Now keep in mind, whenever we are using a under root, so the paragraph or the diagram would be like this. So the intersection point is 1 and we do have this as a perfect function. As it is, there is a last example that is in form of mod. It's a mod, and the mod creates a triangle kind of function like this, not a parabola but a triangle. So whenever we'll create a vertical line, so there's one intersection, so it's also a function. I hope that you get the concept of vertical line test and the function, and that's enough for today. Thank you so much for watching.